I just wanted to thank everybody for coming, and like what Christian said, we've been planning this from the very beginning because it's not just like kapila siya mag-18, but it's once in a lifetime. So we did everything that we can para mahatag sa iyaha ang debut. So also thank you sa effort sa mga kuya, Christian Bichacha, and sa Papa Pod, and to all the people nga ni help nga mahimo ni nga successful. And you know how much I love you. And siguro sometimes dili ta magkasinabot, but you know, you will always be my one and only baby. Thank you kaayo sa mga ni-attend karon who took their time. Bisag layo kaayo pero ni anhi jud. Thank you kaayo ninyo tanan.
Thanks.